Hello viewers, you are about to watch another episode of KF Comedy. Please watch and drop your comment. Thanks.
Sonita, where are you parking to?
I know. I've walked on all the roads and I did not see any ads that the water do not affect it. So I just want to go and stay on the roadside.
Didn't you hear that the water has taken over the road?
What? But I saw some people sleeping the roadside last night now.
Can't you see that the water is rising every morning? Just this morning, the water pushing everybody away. People are looking for where to stay.
Now, wow, the suffering is too much now. No food to eat and nowhere to sleep. Now, which kind of wahala be this now?
And the government do not do anything about it. No flood disaster palliatives. They do not even care about us now.
Did you just say the government?
Yes, sir.
Did I say the government? Sorry, it's like you don't know what is going on in this country. Because everybody is supporting Peter Obi now. APC government purposely refused to release flood disaster palliatives. You know they did it other year now. But I think this is the right time for them to do if they indeed were good governments. My people, you see the reason why I say you need to get your PVC? No matter what, get your PVC to deliver your nation.
Yes, sir. You don't want to suffer for another 8 years.
Don't want to suffer.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Please like and share. We are depending on you. Like and share and encourage us. Thanks.